Hey, my friend. It's so good to see you. I've been reflecting on my life lately. And it's incredible how far I've come. Do you remember how poor my family was when we were kids?
Hey there. Absolutely. I remember those days. It's amazing to see the transformation in your life. How did you manage to achieve everything you wanted?
Well, it was a challenging journey, to say the least. Growing up in poverty taught me the value of hard work and perseverance. I knew that if I wanted a better life, I had to be the one to change our circumstances.
That's truly inspiring. How did you go about making that change?
Education became my ticket to a brighter future. I focused on my studies and worked odd jobs to support my family. I knew that knowledge and determination were the keys to unlocking a better life.
That's impressive. It must have been a balancing act between work and studies.
It definitely was. I had to sacrifice a lot of free time and social activities to stay focused. But seeing the struggles my family faced motivated me to keep pushing forward. I was determined to create a better future for all of us.
Your hard work paid off, my friend. But luck also plays a role in success. What are your thoughts on that?
Luck. An interesting aspect indeed. I believe luck presents opportunities, but it's up to us to seize them. Hard work and determination were the driving forces behind my achievements. Luck alone wouldn't have been enough.
That's an interesting perspective. So, you think it's a combination of luck and hard work?
Exactly. Luck may open doors, but it's what we do with those opportunities that matters most. I firmly believe that if you work hard, stay focused, and never give up on your dreams, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve your goals.
I see what you mean. It's the perfect blend of hard work and seizing opportunities when they arise.
Precisely. Success is the result of determination meeting opportunity. I was fortunate to have some lucky breaks along the way, but it was my unwavering determination that allowed me to make the most of them.
Your story is truly inspiring, my friend. It proves that with hard work, dedication, and a little bit of luck, anything is possible.
Thank you, my friend. I couldn't have done it without the support of loved ones like you. Life may present challenges, but with determination and a positive mindset, we can overcome anything.
Cheers to that. Your story is a reminder that dreams can come true with perseverance and a sprinkle of luck. I'm honored to have witnessed your journey and learned from it.
And I'm grateful to have you by my side. Let's continue supporting and encouraging each other in our respective endeavors. Together, we can achieve even greater things.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you found value in this video, we kindly request you to share it with a friend who might also benefit from it. Thank you sincerely for your unwavering support. Your encouragement means the world to us. Take care and keep learning.